Unit testing involves isolating a piece of code and validating its functionality by testing it independent from the rest of the application. So the idea behind unit testing is to break the application into small pieces or units and test them by writing code that validates the operation of each unit. You can think of each controller as a unit that can be unit tested, and you can test each service as an independent unit as well. Unit testing can promote clean and encapsulated code. Since unit testing tests individual units, developing unit tests help you focus on building small, encapsulated units of code. Unit testing reduces the bugs in the application. The purpose of a unit test is to ensure that the code works as required and produces the appropriate result, so the unit tests can reveal bugs early in the process. And unit tests can minimize debugging time. When a bug is found, you can write a unit test to reproduce the incorrect behavior, making it easier to fix the bug without a huge amount of debugging time. Unit testing Angular code requires some additional tools. Jasmine is a commonly used unit testing framework, and Karma is a commonly used test runner. Both work well with WebStorm. If you are using Visual Studio, Jasmine works there as well. When should you unit test? You can take a code-first approach. Write the code, then write the test to test it. Or you can take a test-first approach. Write the test to test it first, then write code to pass the test. In either case, each controller and each service should be unit tested as it is developed. This course skipped the unit testing of the controllers and the services. That's because unit testing Angular code is a detailed subject in and of itself. And there are already courses specifically focused on unit testing your Angular and JavaScript code. Here are 2 Pluralsight courses that focus on unit testing client-side JavaScript code. The first course is Angular-focused. The second course covers testing client-side JavaScript. Check out these courses for details on unit testing your Angular and JavaScript code. Next up, security.